Hey, Charlie from Pafford Homestead here. Hey, before we get started with this video, y'all please subscribe, like, ring that bell, share this video with your friends. We're gonna keep making more and hope you like them. Today, I am in the kitchen, gonna dehydrate some onions. And when Brandy gets home from work, she will put them in the coffee grinder and make onion powder. We're making homemade onion powder today. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, get some onions from the garden that we grew, the smaller ones. So we're gonna make onion powder out of them. Sharpen this knife a little bit. Don't like no dull knives. Peel this onion. These are small 10-15 yellow onions. Sweet. Real sweet. Very delicious. Put that over there. Oh, look at the juice running out. They're full of water still. But they've dried good enough to start using. Beautiful onions. Where am I rag? Here it is. Sorry about that, y'all. Now my dehydrator, only thing it has is 4 small trays. I wished I would have bought a bigger one, but I didn't. So what I had to do, we don't do a lot of dehydrating anyway. So I just slice them up like this. Trying not to get them too thick. Cut them in half. And break them up. Lay them out on the trays. So, you see what I'm doing? I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm putting them in the dehydrator now. See, this is just a small dehydrator, not very big at all. But it does the job. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trays. I'm just gonna close it up. Turn her on. I think Brandy unplugged it. Oh, let me find the plug. There it is. There it goes. So, I'm going to have to press that. Leave it on high temperature. I'm going to leave it on 10 hours because it don't matter. You can open the door and check them every once in a while. But that's what I'm going to do and let her run. So, we will be back with the finished product when Brandy, we'll film Brandy doing the powder part. So, y'all stay tuned.
So the drying part is now done. So we're going to take them out. And I have a little container here that I'm going to put them in. Maybe.
They don't come off the rack too easy. Huh?
No, they don't. but that's okay.
Well, y'all, while she's doing that, we'll see what Autumn's up to. What are you doing?
I got it!
What do you find?
I
Is it a leaf? Always something going on around here at the homestead.
Yep.
So Brandy's
Never
gonna
dull
take
moment.
that and she's gonna blend it up
Put it in the coffee grinder.
into
Onion powder.
onion powder.
But you can also take them and just break them up a little and do dehydrated onions for like soups and stuff like that.
Hey, I
So-
tasted a piece of it today. Man, they're strong. It comes out pretty strong.
But I do need to get a jar that I can start putting this in. So let me come over here and grab a jar.
Yeah, I wished I would have got a bigger dehydrator than this one, but it serves the purpose. This came from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description when I get ready to put this video out.
But we got the jar, got this, and once I put it in the jar, I'll vacuum seal it.
So I'm gonna get this set up on the tripod. I'll be right back.
So okay, I got some of them put in the coffee grinder. I'm gonna grind this up. And now I'm gonna add some more. It is strong. So as you can see, it grounded it up into a powder, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little strainer here and pour it through to where I can get all of the coarse ones out to rerun. And get all the powder. And doing it this way, you know, growing your own onions and everything, it does save you money by grinding your own powder. But not only that, you know what you're consuming because you grew it, so you know what you put on there. You don't know what these other places put in there or how they grew it. And you don't have to get it all the way ground up. You can leave, you know, this little parcels like this if you want. I just like to break it down. I mean, when I get to the point to where it won't break down anymore, I just throw it all in. This should be the last time that we have to grind it. Get it all out of there.
You gonna get on stickers?
Now, this is all that's left to be ground, and it's really kind of fine right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. I just didn't want big, huge pieces in there, because after all, this is onion powder. There we go. Let me get a little spoon to get the rest of it out. Okay, now I'm here at my vacuum sealer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and I have my jar that I just ground up the onion powder in. As you can see, it's what, about 2 ounces that I got out of those onions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the lid, the lid on, and then vacuum seal it. And whenever I make more, I'll just keep adding to the jar and keep vacuum sealing it to where it doesn't go bad or anything, or get any moisture or anything in it. So I'm gonna put my top on, and I have my vacuum sealer attachment. It just slips on just like that. Then I have the tube part. I just take that part off. Take off. That normally you'd put on the bags. And I just stick it in the top of the hole like this. Set it down. Do my accessory attachment. And let it go. And there we go. Take that off. Oh, and look, sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to do it another time. I must not have got it on there all the way. Okay, let's try it again. Go. Now let's do it. And there we go. And it's sealed. So now just put my ring on and put it in my pantry, and it's ready for the next installation of onions. Look at that. Your own onion powder by dehydrating what you grow. So thank you for coming along with me and Charlie on our dehydrating onions. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring that bell, and give us some thumbs up. And until next time, bye everybody. Stay safe, be blessed. Bye.